Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making quick and easy no-bake peanut butter energy bars with just 3 ingredients. Start by adding honey to a bowl of peanut butter. Stir with a spoon until the mixture is smooth, thick and fully combined. This is your base, full of protein and natural sweetness. Add the mixture to the rolled oats. Mix everything together until every oat is coated in that peanut buttery goodness. It will take a little effort, but that's what gives these bars their perfect chewy texture. Transfer the mixture into your energy bar mold, or you can use a tray lined with parchment paper. Spread it out evenly. This is so easy to make, you can even get your children involved. You can use any size or shape of energy bar mold you like. Place another sheet of parchment on top. Use a rolling pin or a hard object to press it down firmly. This helps the bar stick together. Then refrigerate for about 30 minutes or freeze for 10 minutes to set. And that's it. Your homemade peanut butter energy bars are ready. Soft, chewy, and naturally packed with energy. Perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or anytime you need a quick boost. Store in an airtight container or a resealable bag and refrigerate. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy no-bake ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.